Welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Matadormon. If you must know, Matadormon is like the one of the commanders who tried to take over the Sweet Zone, but failed anyway. He was a member of the Bogger Army and one of the main villains in Digimon Complete Edition, Hacker's Memory, Cyber Sleuth, and all the other Digimon series. He's a really, he promoted himself to a promotional food taster, and he took over the Sweet Zone and blew up the ovens. And there once was a time that the Sweet Zone was a good place where Digimon can enjoy and eat delicious sweets, but Matadormon, his army, took over the Sweet Zone and all the sweetness and came to himself. Coronamon was arrested for serving him whole wheat toast, but they were free anyways. But as you may know by now, Matadormon, he revived Breakdramon, the destroyer of all of the Digi worlds. The one that separated him was all his doing. But anyways, he noticed that Cutemon's parents were also part of his design to capture, to heal him. Alexa, play Dragon Ball Heroes by Mark DeGroot.
Here's Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission by Mark DeGroot on Amazon Music.
Okay, I'm glad I took care of that. Be sure to draw this part down here. There's his arm here. Now just draw his body. Kick up now.
Far away, our wants are making the climb. I'll trust the power you've got inside. All of aim to be the
there we go. There's his symbolized arms.
moving a union through anything we face. Beyond the planets with a slam, slam.
There's his abs here.
The battle in a jam, jam, jam.
There's his robe.
We're getting bumped, then we crash, winning in the rough, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, sight is set through the universe and its threats. My heart's dancing to its beat.
And same thing with the other side. Be sure to draw his scissor claw here. Draw his scissor claw. Draw 5 fingers.
I'll trust the power you've got inside. All are trapped, their freedom gone in the war. Lost from the future.
There we go. That's how you draw. So that's how you draw Matadormon. Pretty awesome, don't you think, huh? He was beaten by Shetmon ×5. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll let you guys know what kind of awesome character I'll draw you guys next. So, if you guys have any requests, be sure to leave a comment below. I'm still taking favors. So, if you guys have any ideas of what character I should draw next and how awesome they should be, I'll be there waiting for you guys. Oh, have a nice season. Bye. And, oh, I forgot to mention, the Sweet Zone is all yours. Adios! That came out wrong. Adios!